In this video, I'm going to show you how to access age-restricted Discord servers on iOS. So if you go to Discord, an example, and we try to access a server, but they tell us an example, I don't know, I click here, I click join a server, and I enter the link here, but I cannot join it because I'm age-restricted. What I can do is, first of all, like join or use the Discord on a browser, like a Safari or any other browser. This basically will bypass the Apple restriction since it's not using the app store version. Or you can set up your age to 18 plus, specifically if you are 18 plus and you just entered your birthday example when you were trying to create your account. Of course, you can also, if you want, but it is more tech heavy, which is writing a script on how to remove you'll have to write a script which will remove the parental basically restriction for you or updates your Discord stuff. But for us, we can, in order basically to like change our birthday, if you go to your profile and settings, even if you click on accounts, you'll not find any option example to change basically your birthday. So what you'll have to do is simply go to any browser, go to discord.com/, you'll need to add a slash, sorry. So go to discord.com and basically just add a slash, and you'll have to go and type requests with S. Click on the enter button. And as example, here you will have to submit a request and submit a birthday update request. But they will ask you to upload a photo of your government ID plus a selfie holding the same ID. And once Discord confirms that you're 18 plus, you will get full access and you should be good to go. So in here, example, you'll be able just to click on Discord support and just submit your problem. Or choose an example what is related to, or you can just click on search like birthday request example. So birthday like updates, requests, and click on search. And of course, if you didn't find what you want, so like yeah, this one example and here, you can just go and contact them right away.